we have here is going to talk about some applications. We're going to do several examples of how to do applications involving linear equations. All right, so, and I'm going to outline of what you look for when you're dealing with these various problems and how to solve them. So first off, here we have a problem where it says first-time customers. Now, whenever you do a problem like this, I always like to underline or write down the keywords. So as you're following along, maybe you want to write through it first, try it out, underline the keywords, and try to pick out the things you need. So first-time customer, a bank will open an account with $25 included. All right, that's important to know. This bank is also charging a monthly, all right, $2.95 service fee on the account. What we want to do in this problem is we want to write an equation that shows the balance B, all right, the balance B after M months, assuming no other activity is made on the account. We then want to find the balance, so find the balance in 8 months. Okay. What we got here is we want to write an equation. Now, the equation we have to identify what stuff we have here. Well, what we notice is that we have an initial amount of $25 in this equation. So we have an initial amount. All right. The next thing is that we are charged a monthly fee. So we're charged this every month. So this is like per month we're doing it. Now, as soon as you say per month is associated with a rate. Per means rate. And when you talk about a rate, generally you're talking about a linear equation, especially when it's a constant rate as we're referring to here, since it's each month. Whenever you have a constant rate, all right, you're going to have a linear equation. So what we have here is we have a linear equation. We can talk about two different ones. We have y equals mx minus x1 plus y1. So if we talk about this, I always use point slope form, but you can also convert this into slope intercept form, which a lot of other students like as well. But I always tell my students, what do you need for an equation line? You need a point and you need a slope. A point and a slope. Now, in this problem, we are given a slope. Our slope is, we know our balance b, so our y values are going to be our b, all right? And we know our x is going to actually be t, or actually m, for months. So the question is, well, what do we got here? Well, our balance is going to be, well, we have our slope appears to be changing, which is our rate, all right, which is $2.95 per month. So that's actually going to go in for the m right here, which is different than this m. This is our slope m, all right? So our slope. So we're going to put in $2.95 in here for the slope. And now we got to figure out our point. Well, our point is, well, we need a month, and then we need, all right, a balance. Well, we know that right here is our initial amount. So after 0 months, we are charged, we'll have a balance of $25 in our account. All right, that's our point. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in 0. I guess this would be, all right, like our m of 1 times the 1. So we're going to have 0. And then we're going to add the $25 right there. By doing this, you can simplify and you can realize that this is going to convert into our slope intercept form. So b is going to equal 2.95 times m, because m minus 0 is just m. And then we're just going to add our $25 for our initial amount, and that is our equation number 1 for this equation. So the next thing is, once we find our equation, we are then going to figure it out by looking at how many months. All right, what is our balance going to be after 8 months? So by doing this, we're going to simply just take 8 and plug it in here. So our balance. So we're looking for b of 8. We're going to use the function form. 2.95. We're going to plug in 8 plus 25. Take out your little calculator if you have one right here. Take out mine right here, and I'm going to go 2.95. I'm going to multiply that by 8. I'm going to add 25. Press enter, and ta-da! Oops, wrong one. Put that here. All right, let's try this again. I'm sorry for the delay. 2.95 times 8 plus 25. You guys have probably already done already. What we have right here is $48.06. All right, so $48.06. That is what our month balance going to be? All right. And so we answered 2 questions. So that is what we have there on how to solve, right, or one example application of how to use lines, how to create lines, and to use them to solve different problems. So we're going to have some more tutorials of this. This is our first application, so good luck and God bless on the rest of the problems.